So when it comes to storing my holiday decorations or Christmas stuff, I keep them in these large tubs, and I have a storage above my, like in my parking port area. So these are really nice because they're sturdy, durable, and they hold a lot of stuff. So these are just simply Sterilite containers with the latch. You open them up, and I have all my Christmas goodies in here. And that is exactly what we are going to be doing. We're going to be decorating the house today and making this like a little winter wonderland. I took down all the stuff from my tree from fall. I still have the tree skirt. I don't know if I'm going to change it out yet, but we have a fresh canvas to do anything we want. And the mantle for the most part. And yeah, I will walk you guys through it.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace,